Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can screen record restricted apps on Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Play Store or App Store application on your mobile device and search for Screenshot Touch. After that, a bunch of apps will be displayed on your screen. Simply tap on the first one and then install it. Once it is installed completely, open it up and this type of interface will appear. Here, tap on the Start Capture button at the top and tap on the OK button. After that, allow all of the permissions and that's it. You can now tap on the Start Now button and then switch over to the restricted app. In order to stop recording, come back to this app and select the Stop button at the top. So that's basically how you can screen record restricted apps on Android. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.